name is Poojith and I joined Izeon Innovative for doing my college internship. I am studying my final year BCA in Kumarani Minamutha College in Adayar, and I actually joined my internship over here along with my friends. And when we actually started the course, we were actually made to revise our basic Python concepts which we were actually taught in our college. And once we actually started to progress day by day by doing constant ideally projects and sums, we actually progressed into doing front-end basic development in using Streamlit and NumPy on Visual Studio Code. And we were also made to do small mini projects like doing by constructing EMI calculators, normal number